Hello and welcome to another ArcGIS tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to generate sequential numbers using field calculator in ArcGIS. Open the attribute table. Then from the table option, click Add Field and rename it to Sequential Number or whatever you like. After that, right click on the column and click Field Calculator. In the Field Calculator window, select Python and tick Show Code Block. Now copy and paste the code and click OK. Sequential numbers have been generated.